Hi, this is video 5 of basic website uh, designing series of video tutorials, and in this section we'll see how to create links between our web pages. Okay, I'll open this folder now here in desktop basic web, and we got just one file, that is index.html. We also need to create lots of pages, but before that we'll write the code for link. I want the link here between this heading and the paragraph, in between them, right in the center. So here I'm going to open this one in notepad, index.html, and we got the heading here in h1 tag. Right within the heading we got flowers as heading, so we want the link between the heading and the paragraph, right? So between them, for creating links in HTML we use anchor tag, that is A, and we have to close the anchor tag. Between the tag we have to give the name of our link. I'm going to give the name as rows. Okay, and inside the anchor tag we have to use a parameter called href, and this href is used to specify the file our links need to navigate when we click the link rows. Okay, so href, then within equal to within quotes I'm going to give the name as rows.html. this is the file we are going to navigate. Okay, so anchor tag href equal to within quotes rows.html, and the link that appears in the web page will be rows. Okay, I'll save this one, and I will refresh this page, and you can see here we got a link by name rows, and I check here, here in the URL we got the file name as index.html, and when I press rows here, we don't have any file by name rows.html, but you can see here in the navigation they tried to find the file rows.html. so we have to create the file rows.html now, but before that I'm going to create some more links. I'm going to copy the center thing, and here I'll paste this one. I'm going to give a different name for our link. This time it will be Jasmine. Okay, and here also we have to change the file name, JASMINE. I'll save this one. We need one more file, and this time it will be contact us. We also need to change the page name here, contact.html. okay, we created links now, but we don't have these pages, that is rows.html, jasmine.html, and contact.html. Anyway, we'll try refreshing here. We got 3 links, but they can't navigate, right? We also need one more link to return to the home page, right? Wherever we go, in whatever pages we are in our website, we should always have the option to return back to the home. So the link this time, fourth link, will be home, and the first page in HTML we created is index, right? Index is going to be the home page, so this time it will be index.html. we already got this file. The file which we are editing now is itself index.html file. Okay, I saved this one, and now we have to create the pages. Just watch how we are going to create the pages here. Now we have to create rows.html. so this is index.html. from here, file, save as, we are going to create another copy of file. Make sure the encode is Unicode here, and also all files. We can see the index.html file. We are going to create another copy by name rows.html. okay, we created the file by name rows.html, but the content inside are going to be same because we just made a duplicate copy of index.html. so I am going to change here the paragraphs. I'm going to delete these paragraphs, and I'm going to include new paragraph here. I already got notes here for our web page notes. I'll copy this one and paste here inside the paragraph. I'll close the paragraph tag, and we got 2 paragraphs, I guess. So I'll copy the second paragraph from here. I'll copy here inside the tag. I'm going to close the paragraph tag. Okay, it's good if we have a heading to identify that this page is rows, right? And I told you heading starts from h1 to h6. H6 is the smallest possible heading and h1 is the largest one. We already used h1 for our website name, that is flowers, here in the top, right? Here you can see here h1 style align here for flowers. So this should be smaller than that one, so I'm going to give h3 this time, and this is rows, right? So in capital I'm going to give here as rows, and I will close the tag. I'll save this one and we'll try to see how this rows.html file looks like. Yeah, we got all the links, and this is rows.html file, and this one is index.html. Now we need to create Jasmine contact us page. So here this is rows.html file. I'm going to do save as to create another copy, a Unicode, here all files, and this is jasmine.html, and here in the paragraph for jasmine.html, I mean in the heading, I'm going to replace this one by name Jasmine, and I'm going to delete these two paragraphs of rows, and we will be including a notes here which I already got for Jasmine. I'll paste this one, I'll close the tag. Okay, this is set. Now we are going to create contact us. Save as from Jasmine, Unicode, all files, contact.html. okay, I'll save this one, and I'm going to give this here as contact, not Jasmine, and I'm going to delete the contents here inside the paragraph of Jasmine, and I'm going to give my name here and a line break, because address should come in order, right? I'll do one thing, I'll bring this down so that you can understand. Okay, and after the line break I'm going to give some address, door number or something like that, 4, and then again line break, then the city name with postal code. Okay, I guess that's enough for now. I'll save this one again, so that now we got links in all the pages, because we made a duplicate copy of all the files and they are residing all in the same folder, right? So I'm going to an index.html. We got folders here, we got all the links here, and when I click rows, the link navigates to rows.html. You can check here in the URL, then Jasmine, contact us, home, everything looks perfect now. But you can see here this is kind of blue. Links are always in blue color in HTML. If we want, we can also change the color. I'll show you how. I'm going to open this one in Notepad. Here this is the link for rows, right? So here with inside this anchor tag, just after the path, that is href equal to rows.html, I'm going to add a code that is style equal to color colon. I'm going to give the color value for say red. So here we need to find the color value for red, right? I already got a list of color values with me. I'll show you that. We got, where is red? Okay, we got some color here for red. I'll copy this one and paste here. I'll save this one. We'll check here in the browser. You can see here rows is in red. If you want, we can do this to all the pages. It depends on us. Okay, if you guys have any doubts, just leave a comment so that I can clear your doubts within my limit. Also, if you find these videos useful, please subscribe. See you soon.